Keeping your commercial refrigeration units clean is critical for optimum performance and to ensure food quality and safety. Dirty and clogged condenser coils are a leading cause of refrigeration inefficiency and even failure. But cleaning cooler cases can be a difficult and time-consuming task. That's why Kaivac created the Fresh Cleaning Cart, a simple, effective solution for successful maintenance of your commercial cases. The Fresh Cleaning Cart features a specially designed, built-in indoor pressure washer and a powerful wet vacuum that work together to produce clean, safe, and odor-free cases operating at peak efficiency. And cleaning cooler cases with the Fresh Cleaning Cart takes less than half the time of conventional methods. The system includes an indoor pressure washer, 15-foot spray line, high-pressure spray wand, a 3-stage wet vacuum, 15-foot vacuum hose, sturdy 1-piece vacuum wand, large capacity clean water tank, 17-gallon vacuum recovery tank, lithium-ion battery and charger, and a number of tools and attachments to assist in case cleaning operations. This worker-friendly system is easy to use and easy to learn. To begin, simply fill the system's fresh water tank with hot water and remove all product from the cooler case. Then, use the indoor pressure washer to flush dirt and debris from the fan housing and condenser coils. Unlike traditional pressure washers, which can damage sensitive components, the Fresh Cleaning Cart provides the perfect balance of water pressure and volume for effective results without harming expensive equipment. The system's powerful wet vacuum recovers liquid, soil, and other matter, preventing soils from entering the case drain, which could lead to clogging. The Fresh Cleaning Cart is also equipped with specialty tools and attachments designed to make case cleaning quick and easy. When cleaning tasks have been completed, the recovery tank can be easily emptied using the built-in drain hose. Simply empty the vacuum tank and rinse the inside of the tank to keep it clean and ready for use. Then, plug the battery in to charge the system's lithium-ion battery. For detailed instructions on using the Fresh Cleaning Cart to clean cooler cases in other areas of the building, refer to the training placards that came with your system.